Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the card turn on or off real-time protection in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Registry Editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On right side, if you see disable real-time monitoring, just right click and select delete option and select yes. And now just to close stuff here and next up go to search menu and type group policy editor. Click on open the edit group policy. Under computer configuration, expand the administrative templates and expand the Windows components and select the Microsoft Defend and antivirus. On right side, you just need to make sure all the options are set to not configured. If anything is enabled, then you just need to double click on it and set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. And after doing it, just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select Run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command, just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart our PC. After restarting our PC, you just need to come back to this virus and threat protection page and you can able to turn on the real-time protection without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.